The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is a personal finance classic that provides a comprehensive plan for individuals and families to achieve financial freedom. Ramsey's book offers practical advice, step-by-step guidance, and motivational stories to help readers take control of their money and transform their financial lives. In this summary, we will explore the key principles and steps outlined in the book. Chapter 1: The Total Money Makeover. Ramsey introduces the concept of the total money makeover, emphasizing the need to change your financial behavior and mindset to achieve financial success. Chapter 2: Denial, I'm not that out of shape. Ramsey discusses the common tendency to deny the extent of one's financial problems and the importance of facing the reality of your financial situation. Chapter 3: Debt Myths, debt is not a tool. Ramsey debunks common myths about debt, emphasizing that debt is not a tool but a hindrance to financial freedom. Chapter 4: Money Myths, the non-secrets of the rich. The author dispels myths about wealth, explaining that anyone can build wealth through discipline, hard work, and smart financial choices. Chapter 5: Two more hurdles, ignorance and keeping up with the Joneses. Ramsey addresses the issues of financial ignorance and the temptation to compete with others in terms of material possessions. Chapter 6: Money Myths, if I only had a raise. Ramsey challenges the belief that a higher income alone will solve financial problems, stressing the importance of managing money wisely at any income level. Chapter 7: The Total Money Makeover, a financial fitness plan. The author presents the 7 baby steps, a step-by-step plan to achieve financial stability and independence. Chapter 8: Baby Step 1, $1,000 to start an emergency fund. Ramsey explains the importance of establishing a $1,000 emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and prevent the need to rely on credit. Chapter 9: Baby Step 2, Pay off all debt, except the house. Ramsey advocates for a debt snowball approach, where you pay off debts starting with the smallest balance first while making minimum payments on other debts. Chapter 10: Baby Step 3, Fully Funded Emergency Fund. The author advises building a fully funded emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Chapter 11: Baby Step 4, Invest 15% of your income for retirement. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of saving for retirement and provides guidance on where to invest your money. Chapter 12: Baby Step 5, College Funding for Children. Ramsey discusses strategies for saving for your children's education while maintaining your financial goals. Chapter 13: Baby Step 6, Pay off the home early. The author encourages homeowners to pay off their mortgage early, thereby eliminating a significant financial burden. Chapter 14: Baby Step 7, Build Wealth and Give. Ramsey discusses the final step, which involves building wealth, giving generously, and leaving a financial legacy. Chapter 15: Live like no one else. Ramsey reminds readers that following his plan may require sacrifices and a different lifestyle temporarily, but it's essential to secure a prosperous future. Chapter 16: The Rest of the Story. Ramsey shares stories of individuals who have successfully followed his plan and transformed their financial lives. Chapter 17: FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. The author addresses common questions and concerns that readers may have about the Total Money Makeover plan. Chapter 18: Money Myths, I should never use a credit card. Ramsey discusses the role of credit cards and provides guidance on how to use them wisely or avoid them altogether. Chapter 19: Money Myths, but we're drowning in payments. Ramsey provides strategies for dealing with overwhelming debt and how to start the journey toward financial recovery. Chapter 20: Money Myths, my car payment is killing me. The author tackles the issue of car loans and advises on how to make wise vehicle choices to avoid excessive debt. Chapter 21: Money Myths, I can't afford to save. Ramsey addresses the misconception that saving money is impossible for those with limited incomes and offers practical tips for saving. Chapter 22: Money Myths, we're in this together, and I'm in control. The author emphasizes the importance of unity in a marriage or partnership when it comes to finances and offers advice on how to work together effectively. Chapter 23: The Total Money Makeover Challenge. Ramsey challenges readers to take action, commit to the Total Money Makeover plan, and achieve financial success. In the Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey provides a clear roadmap for achieving financial independence, emphasizing the importance of living debt-free, saving, investing, and giving generously. By following his 7 baby steps and challenging common financial myths, readers can take control of their financial destinies and secure a brighter future for themselves and their families. Ramsey's approach is practical, motivational, and proven, making this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being.